Okay, so we're gonna we're gonna sand some boards. I'm gonna show you how this little sucker works. So here we go. Let's get right to it, because like I said before, I can only do short videos for now. So here we go. I'll show you pretty much what goes on. We start that up, and I'm gonna route it while playing the tops anyway. So I just want to smooth up the sides, like I did with this one here, nice and smooth. That way there, when I glue them all together, I got nice joints. You can see it's rough because it's all rough cut and milled. So here we go. Wow, that looks pretty good. Let's flip it over, get the other side. Going to hold some equal pressure down. And I like to kind of slide it back and forth a little bit, so that you're not kind of wearing out one side of the belt. There we go, nice. We'll move on to one more. Nice, take all that right down. We'll go a little bit more on that one. Kind of got a little area that kind of junky. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so shut that off. Yeah, so she works pretty good. So anyways, I'm gonna get to finishing those up, and then I'm gonna start on my longer strips, so I'll need both hands for those. So basically what we're gonna plan on doing is these will all kind of go together with those two there. I gotta measure them all out and lay everything out like that, but by the time we're done and we get it together, we'll have an American flag design, and yeah, that should work pretty good. So